Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to create a unique business infographic in Canva. First thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Canva web application, which of course I've done right here. Now next thing I'm going to show you how you can create your design on Canva. First way is to create your design from scratch by clicking on this create a design button. And then the next way is to create a design of existing templates by clicking on the search bar. In the search bar, all you need to do is to describe your design, and that's going to take you to a wide array of templates that you can choose from. So now let's get right into it. Unique business infographics. So here is my world of templates. Now, to bust your bubbles, I'd like you to know that not all the templates are easy to access or free to access, because most of the templates are labeled pro, meaning you have to upgrade your plan before you access those templates. But then there are some of the templates that are pretty sweet, but they do not have that crown thing on their heads, meaning you can definitely use them, like this one that is staring at us right now. So I can click on that and I can click on customize this template, and it's going to take me to the editing studio. So I'm just going to show you how to walk around the elements, and then you can now choose what to do. So from here, I'm going to move the slider forward to zoom in. That's what that's for. And I'm going to scroll all the way up till I get to the top of this. So it's all about the data infographics. All of this, I'm not going to change any text. I'm going to change any wordings. I'm going to show you how they can be changed. So how can you change the text in Canva? So just click on the text, go to the text you want to click on, and double click. Once you double click, all of them are going to be highlighted. Now you can now enter what you want. It's all about the right. So let's go. I'm just repeating what they said. The same thing. Double click and type in, change the words. How do you change the background color? So here, let's look for, this is an element. Okay, so these elements can be moved or just go back to its position. Okay, so I can change the color of these two. Here, the here to the color palette. So I can change this to something like this, and head over here to change this one to contrasting color, contrasting color, contrasting. So that's how I'm gonna use that. Scroll the way down and I change this color to blue, and this to this, and the overall color is going to take white. So as you can see, I've changed my colors. I'm going to move the slider to see what it looks like. So you can also change each of these colors as well. Just click on the background, change color upwards, click here, change color, and then change color, change text. So next thing I want to show you is how to move elements. So let's say this is an element, right? All right, and then let's say you're not okay with this dollar sign and you want to change the element. Head over to the left corner and click on element, and then in this search elements, just go ahead and type dollar sign, and you can see all of the dollar signs available. Remember, the pro means you can choose them because they're not free. So this is free, this is free. So you can just drag and drop. For example, click on this. So to click on this, it comes on. All right, so I can just click on this and delete. Oh, I'm just gonna delete this and click on this because this has like a yellow border. So I'm moving it and I'm gonna make it smaller, and I'm holding one using one finger to hold my mouse pad and one other finger to hold the left button of my mouse. So I'm going to drag this in here and reduce it from the edge, and then just drag into fit into position. So that's how you can, of course, impute a new element. You can change the background of these or each of these text by clicking on this color to change the color, or just Ctrl Z. Remember what I said in the text. Click on the text, double click, and change your text. You can do the same for each of these. Change the color of this. All right, so once you're done doing anything, click out. Clicking out is very necessary. All of these are elements that can be changed. You can see they can be changed. So it can be like this or not. So scroll the way down, and all of these too, you can see so many things that can be changed in here. These are two colors, so it means you can change each of these colors. How to do that? Let's say selecting this, and the black changes to, so Ctrl Z. So that's pretty much how you can do that. Or you can drag the elements and remove the elements. Drag and drop, drag and drop. Or delete. You click on delete to delete any elements, or you can click on the three dots menu to look for more options. So I'm just gonna have to click on undo, 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 undo. So that's the process. Repeat that till you're done with the entire infographic. So this is pretty much it. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video helped your search. Click on the share button once you're done and head over to download to ensure that it has been downloaded to your system's folder.